Got News Sport Dash soon in Maryland late. Today is Freaky Freedom Friday in my city, Chicago. April 26, 2024. Now, I just took a picture yesterday of the two birds and the four, right? Now, here go one. Now, I kind of felt like it was going to be some mess. See, whatever I like, they seem to kill. You understand what I'm saying? Real talk. See? You see it. Real talk. So I like every motherfucker that got my money and stole my money and, hate me. I like and love my enemies. I don't know if that bird dead for real, but look dead. Real talk. Step your game up, family. Peace.